Q-bear.
Diluking.
Defend.
Nawala mic ni Kuya Ker, Kuya.
Nawala ka kaya.
Yo, come back, guys. Come southeast.
Southwest, guys. We cut.
Come southwest. Yes. Run first.
What the fuck?
I got out.
Dropping Jody here.
Hello, rinig na ako?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
The mobs.
Oh my god.
Gusto na bless na ma'am, sweet.
Hindi pala rinig, tapak.
Kill his mobs, nigga.
Hey, why you go down? Why are you going downhill?
Oh
Just go
my
west now,
god, bro.
Go west.
Defend.
Ready, counter, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside of you, inside. Kill him.
Healer ka na.
Okay, come southwest.
Push bang,
Left hand, try to stop. Push them, okay, push them. Heal, front. Heal me. Kite, don't stop moving. Hello. Dinig ba ako? CD.
Diluking.
Wait. No, not yet. You're shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Kill him. Nice na. Kite again. Move. They can engage. Take the occult. Okay, take CD now. If you have CD.
Okay
Are
na.
they looking there? Nice, Jay. Oh, Tiga, why you fucking stopping? Move this. Okay, turn back again. Turn back. CD?
10. I'm on 10.
Wait. Take CD.
I'm ready now.
On the out, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the out now. Out. Few? Okay, just kite back again. Take the CD. Help the front. Nice GA. Okay, kite. Keep moving, please. Keep moving.
Moving, guys.
Moving. Ready?
Southwest.
Ready?
One.
Ready, boss.
Ready. Counter. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's like 3 people. Lead it. One more. Nice one. Kite again. It's okay. We kill someone. Kite back. Take CD. Jacket on heart.
Walk west. Just walk west. Jacket.
Yeah, just keep moving. Up. CD. I mean up.
5.
In shop. Can we try to kill this out? DPS try to be much faster now, okay? Wait. Everybody in shop first. Okay, on this out again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out now. Oh no, I didn't catch him. Come back. Okay, kiting again. He looking. Come back. Nice stop. Take CD. It's okay.
Lakad lang ko sa anin, lakad lang.
Go west.
Keep moving,
First,
bro.
keep moving. No need to stop.
Second
The
jacket.
DPS will follow the jacket.
Pulling out here.
Okay. Again. Ready?
Ready.
If someone go fucking near the wall, we engage him. Okay, ready? On the fucking wall. 5,
Looking.
4, 3, 2, 1. Dep. Okay, come back. Nice. Come back, boys. Come back. Kite. It's okay. You're good. Come back. Nice rope. Take CD.
Lakad lang,
Tama na
lakad.
siya. Move. Keep moving. No, it's okay. Just stay there. Ready? CD again? CD?
Ready.
1 second.
Okay.
Ready.
Wait. On me now, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Front of me. Kill him. Okay, come back. Dep. Come back.
Gago na.
Did they engage? Oh, yeah, they engage.
Miss.
How many CD?
Ready.
Okay, T double sun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. T double sun now. Kill him.
Nice.
Please come back. Kite again. It's okay. Kite. Amana dya, bro. They gonna look shallow. Careful. Take CD. Yeah, it's okay to stay there. They're not pushing. CD. We farm them one. Okay.
2.
2? Okay, in shop.
Ready.
I'm gonna pick with W, okay? I'm gonna pick with W. Wait. Wait, I'm gonna pick the healer here. He gonna cleric? No, he blink. Ready. Oh, lep. Engaging. Counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. Shallow. Nice, boys. Kite back again. Take the occult now. You take CD. Oh my fucking god. Take
we have
fighting,
mana?
bro. W.
Just W primo.
W, okay.
They bailing or no? Where they running?
They're mounting up.
Primo mag-W.
Bailing na.
Okay, kuya.
Oh fuck, their healer died, bro. No, don't kill, don't kill, don't kill, don't kill,
Oh,
don't kill,
okay,
don't
okay, okay, okay.